Well, stock futures are mixed right now as the markets look to the end of the month of May on a high note. We're coming off another strong week, the S&P 500 rebounding Friday, winning back all its losses last week, sending it into a 5-week winning streak. But all those numbers and ups and downs, they can get confusing. They do for me, right? Well, with me now is James Pinkerton, the author of the new book. It's titled The Secret of Directional Investing, Making Money Amidst the Red-Blue Rumble. We'll get you to explain what the title means exactly. He's also the former senior advisor to Mike Huckabee's presidential campaign. He's worked under Presidents Ronald Reagan, George H.W. Bush in their domestic policy office. So you've got quite the resume, and we appreciate you coming on Morning in America, James.
Thanks for having me.
Well, in your book, you do talk about stocks being categorized into sort of two trends. What are they, and how can the average American identify them?
The basic investment wisdom is the trend is your friend. And so if you can identify the direction of something, you're going to do well. And so, for example, your segment before on work from home is a great example. It's full of investment implications for urban real estate, for mass transit, for bicycles. I mean, again, you can see that these are a trend to be observed, and whether or not you can make money on it is up to you, and whether you're paying attention to the news and obviously the fundamentals of the stock. But again, one of the arguments the book makes is that obviously the trend has always been important, but what's going on now with the red-blue, the Republican-Democrat split across the country is it's opening up new opportunities for, if you will, arbitrage between the states as they compete in various ways on everything from, income tax rates to gun laws to, to pollution laws to, abortion, all the elements that make a state a good or a bad place to do business or to have a job are affecting the value of real estate. I mean, for example, in Chicago, where it's been hard hit by crime, some of these downtown office buildings have the price has fallen by 99%. And so those aren't very good investments. On the other hand, real estate in Palm Beach, Florida has tripled in the last 5 years.
What is it that motivated you to write this book about stocks, and what key takeaways do you want readers to have if they pick this up and read it for themselves?
Well, the takeaway is, borrowed from, Peter Lynch, the investment legend from Fidelity back in the 80s and 90s, who said that, look, observe, just if people are buying something or liking something, chances are it's a good stock. I mean, you can open up the news now and see, for example, that Walt Disney, was once one of the great stocks in America, has fallen by 45% in the last 3 years. They've just gotten stuck on this wokeness business, and they can't seem to get off it. And they've sort of wrecked the Star Wars franchise, which is a $5 billion purchase a while back. And so again, much of it is just observing this trend. The other element of the book is trends that can be shaped. I mean, there are states that are making active choices now to improve their investment climate, whether it's on school choice or banking privacy or medical innovation. States are what Justice Brandeis 90 years ago called the laboratories of democracy. And so they give you the chance to say, we want here in the state to become, a leader on a certain kind of economic activity, and we can, whether it's tech in California or banking secrecy and privacy in Wyoming, there's lots of opportunities there. The element of federalism or states' rights gives a whole new dynamic to investing based on the geographical principle of what state has the better or worse business climate or otherwise economic incentives.
All right. Well, James Pinkerton, that's all the time that we have. But friends at home, if you're interested in getting into investing in the stock market, you've been worried about it in the past, then you may want to pick up this book and get going. James Pinkerton, thanks for your time today. The Secret of Directional Investing.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.